somebody pulled over right here. Ain't no heave to us. So yeah, the last video was my first time driving through town. This time we're going to show you the more safer way to do it. There's another cop right there in the urban. We're more or less driving in the lane and pretty much with the flow of traffic. So I don't know, until I see how everybody else is doing it, it's still kind of up in the air. I think this is the safest way. We just went by 2 cops to see if they chase us. Doing about 40, 45. I don't see no red and blues behind us yet. It's right at the limit too for what time you need to be off the road. Sun's setting quick. Now let's see how these guys change lanes. Right out in the lane like you should. Signal. Around the corner, just like in a car. Got trucks waiting for us. Better that we're in the lane doing 40ish than taking up half of the road doing 25. I was riding with today, trailer to the fire hall. However you choose to travel the roads on your street legal ATV, just do it with a little common sense and everything will be fine. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.
Check them out, Scotian Off-Road on YouTube.
They call me a god.